Welcome to PhD Support, your trusted partner in machine learning and networking research. Semi-supervised learning combines the strengths of supervised and unsupervised methods, using both labeled and unlabeled data for smarter models. In networking with Omnet++, it enables tasks such as traffic classification, anomaly detection, and intrusion detection with limited labeled datasets. For vehicular and IoT systems, semi-supervised techniques enhance mobility prediction, energy efficiency, and secure communication protocols. In 5G and 6G networks, semi-supervised learning supports handover prediction, slicing optimization, and intelligent edge computing. Whether you are pursuing a PhD, master's, or bachelor's degree, we provide coding, implementation, and deployment support. For more details, visit www.phdsupport.org or contact us at +91 917 620 6235 or email for info247@gmail.com.